helping out. The power went off. It is very dark. Crazy out here. Trees broken everywhere. It's starting to flood a little bit. There used to be a tree over here, and now it's over there. That was crazy. Come on. It's time to eat some food. He's just waiting patiently. Feeding Gohan in the dark. Ugh. Let's go check how everything is outside. Let's go. You wanna go? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. You ready? Let's go see. Let's go outside. You ready? You ready? A lot of stuff broke, guys. Come on, look at all these trees, buddy. There's leaves everywhere on the floor. Go on, look at that tree that broke. This is crazy. Wow, this is insane, guys. Gohan used to love to pee here, but it looks like that tree's gone now. Look at that. This tree right here is this tree right here. What do you think about all the damages to your neighborhood? Oh yeah? Me too. It's crazy, right? I wonder what Gohan's thinking right now. And just like in life, guys, when things get worse, they will eventually get better. Yesterday there was a huge storm, and now today, look, the sun's out. There's no clouds. So yep, there you have it, guys. That's all of the damage that the hurricane did to us. Luckily, nothing did happen to us though. Just a bunch of broken trees and plants everywhere, as you guys can see. My prayers do go out to those affected and those of you guys who got hurt or hit worse than us. We hope you guys are all okay. We only lost power and signal for a few days, which is why I wasn't able to post updates and stuff like that for you guys. But yeah, we did have a generator, so we were able to power on fans and cool down the house, especially Gohan. We were also able to cook food, so everything went well. Gohan behaved so well, like the good boy that he always is. We pulled through it together, and everything wasn't too bad, guys. And also, guys, I just want to say you guys are insane with the support. Thank you so much for all of you guys that showed us love. Thank you so much for all the love that you showed us. Lots of you left positive comments and said things like stay safe and stuff like that, and that really means a lot to us. All of you guys are amazing. And also, I did not forget, thank you to those of you who purchased some of our merch. Since we didn't have power, I wasn't able to see what we have sold, so when I finally was able to check, I was so shocked. Lots of you have purchased our merch, and we truly hope you guys enjoy it when you guys get it. I can't wait to see you guys rocking our merch. So remember to send us pictures of you or your pets wearing our merchandise, so that way we can show you guys some love and add you to one of our videos. We got a great video coming up, so we will see you guys then. All right, buddy, let's go. Come on. Go, look here.